Welcome to the Generative AI-powered Innovation Coach, your personalized digital assistant for supercharging your innovation process. In today's dynamic world, organizations and individuals face immense pressure to innovate constantly. Traditional innovation methods involving a coach are time-consuming, expensive, and may not cater to the unique needs of introverted individuals, who often possess untapped creative potential. Our Generative AI-powered Innovation Coach revolutionizes the creative process by leveraging lean startup principles and generative artificial intelligence. The Innovation Coach works by first crystallizing the problem statement and generating virtual personas of the people who will benefit from the solution. Then, the AI helps generate solution ideas, rank them, and merge the most promising ones into a proper solution. Finally, the AI generates a detailed interview script to collect feedback from those who are meant to benefit from the solution. Once collected, this feedback can be used to further refine the problem statement and the solutions, resulting in a circular process of iterative improvement. Let's see it in action. Start with an idea or problem and let our AI-powered coach guide you through the journey. There's no need to prepare in advance, just engage in a fluid conversation with our digital coach, who will help you crystallize your thoughts and develop a precise problem statement. Then generate personas with all the necessary properties and a realistic profile photo in just a few clicks. The AI assistant can generate solution ideas for you, and you can also add your own. Rank them based on in-depth analysis and find the most promising ones. Finally, consolidate the possible solutions into a cohesive whole with one click of the mouse. If the solution description seems too abstract, then a visual sketch of it is yet another simple click away. From this, get a ready-made, detailed interview script and guidance for user validation, all tailored to your specific needs. Need funding to achieve success? The Innovation Coach even provides a video storyboard and a final pitch deck. All this AI magic is powered by a robust architecture using Azure OpenAI, Power Platform, and Azure API Management. Naturally, human decision-making remains in the center. The Generative AI Innovation Coach is designed for everyone, from individuals and small business owners to multinational corporations. Anyone can innovate more efficiently through it. Integrate our application into your Teams channel or make it accessible on mobile devices to empower everyone in your company. Our solution promotes agile innovation, cost effectiveness, and gives introverts a platform to express their ideas and be heard. In our mission to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more, the maximization of innovative potential is more important than ever. Our Generative AI Innovation Coach can be deployed easily and quickly and can be adapted to suit the user's needs. In fact, you can try it right now. It is online and can be used by anyone within Microsoft.